Basement. Alright, now I'm Breen. I'm a barber at Basement Barbecue. Been cutting hair for 5 or 6 years now. Been building myself from traditional barbering and moving forward to more of your modern classic. I like the textures, skin fades. Barbering is important to me because before barbering, there wasn't too much to it. Barbering sort of introduced me to a lot more of my friends, let me bring the boys into the shop, gave me something to do in my spare time, something I could do around the house or in a professional environment. And I get to see the face of the boys when they first walk in after a 9 to 5, and that first look on their face when they walk out looking fresh. I mean, getting a haircut is like, I don't know, come into a barbershop and get a haircut, it's not really about just copping a haircut though. It's about like the chat in the chair, guys talking to each other. We don't talk a lot, as everyone knows. So being in the chair for 45 minutes gives a guy time to open up and get whatever he needs to say off his chest. A client should come and sit in my chair because, I don't know, I just like to sort of put a smile on that person's face. Doesn't matter who they are, whether they're the regular businessman or they're straight from high school and they're about to go for their next job. I like to think that whatever haircut I can provide them, what service I can provide them, will give them the best step forward once they leave, Basement Barbecue or nothing.
I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion. Just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm in